when she was giving a birth to the 14th one, she died. She died while giving a birth to the 14th one. It was a baby girl, and baby did not survive with mummy. They both died at the same time right after delivery. But when she was dying, she had a great conversation with the king, and that conversation laid the foundation of this monument. What was the conversation? When she was dying, she asked three wishes from the king. Number one, she said, "You don't have to marry again because we have to look after our children." Second, she said, "Give equal love and respect to each of the kids. Do not make difference among them." Third, the most important one, she said, "This is my last time. I'm going to die now, and I know you loved me throughout the life, but this is the time now. The whole world should know how much you love me. To show them, make something symbol of love, iconic building in this world. One thing in this world that no one can copy, no one can go parallel with that." That is why Shahjahan built the Taj Mahal. She actually asked to build this one.
This is the history.
This is the history why it was built, right? So, and the queen, she didn't die here. She died in different state, and that was Madhya Pradesh. There is a place named Burhanpur. So she was buried there. And after few days, her body was transferred here, and it was buried 15 feet, 20 feet underground, the white marble platform. You can see some people are standing there. And she was buried here 1 year before the construction. Right after 1 year, the construction got started over her tomb. It was started to build in 1631 and was completed 1653. So 22 years were taking to complete the whole complex, and 20,000 workers, they were used to work on it.
20,000.
20,000 people. The labor, they were not slave labor actually, they were highly paid labor. Uh, uh, they were hired from different parts of the world, from Iran, Afghanistan, Turkey, France, Germany, from all over the world. They came here, they built this monument. But the main architecture of this white mausoleum, he was from India, from Lahore. His name was Ustad Ahmad Lahori. Lahore is a place in Pakistan now, but Pakistan was a part of India before the partition. So he was the Indian Muslim who designed that white structure. Another chief architecture who designed the whole complex, he was from Persia, another architecture. His name was Ustad Isa Afandi. So the two architecture, they were involved in this complex. So